What's good, Grind family? Reggie P here. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can earn $50 in free PayPal money in 2 minutes. Now, if that sounds appealing to you, stay tuned.
This is App Grind TV. Get your grind on.
You have tuned in to App Grind TV with your boy Reggie P, and I help entrepreneurs make money on autopilot. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can earn $50 in free PayPal money in 2 minutes. Now, if you're new to my channel, I help entrepreneurs make money online, make money on YouTube, and make money with apps. And sometimes this month, I'm going to give away some free money. So please subscribe to my channel and don't forget to hit that notification bell so you won't miss any videos. Also, give me a like. It really helps out my channel and helps out this video. Also, drop a comment down below if you have any questions about what I'm talking about today. Now, before I get into this method, I just want to tell you guys it's less than 10 days away till the end of this month. And in the past, I've said once I get to 2,500 subscribers this month, I'm going to give away some free money to 2 people. But it looks like I might not make it there because right now I'm at 1,833 subscribers. So look like I might not make it to 2,500 this month, but I think we can make it to 2,000 subscribers. So once I get to 2,000 subscribers, I'm going to give away some free money. And all you have to do is be a subscriber to this channel, like this video and all my videos, watch them all the way to the very end, and make sure you drop a comment down below. And I'm going to use a YouTube random comment picker to pick the winners. So that's all you have to do. All right, without further ado, let me hop over here to my computer and show you how you can earn $50 in free PayPal money in 2 minutes. Let's grind and let's get it. Okay, I'm on the internet and I'm at this first website. So, because I'm gonna show you 2 websites. So, name of this website is Befugle. I've never reviewed this website before and told you guys about it. So, this is a new one. All right, so on this website, you're gonna get paid to shop. So you can earn up to 40% cash back at 5,000 stores. And here's what's good about this site here. You can join for free and get $10 bonus right off the bat. So that's good. As soon as you sign up, you get $10 straight up. Now, here are some of the stores that you can go to and receive cash back when you shop. Amazon, Walmart, eBay, Macy's, Home Depot, Bed Bath & Beyond, Dick's, Target, and Best Buy. Now, let me just read a little bit of what it says here. Browse, shop, get paid. So shop through Befugle at any of the 5,000 plus stores and earn cash back whenever you make a purchase. We'll send your earnings via your preferred method: check, PayPal, gift card, or direct deposit. So automatically apply coupons and get cash back. Never worry about searching for coupons or forgetting to activate cash back. The Befugle button does it for you. So there's an example right there of how they're going to, activate the cash back and the money that you'll get once the cash back is activated. Now, what I'm going to do is let's look at some other features on this site. Let me go right here where it says browse full site. Okay. Now, here's an example of what you're going to be getting when you buy something. So let's say you go to this store right here and you buy this shirt, and you're going to get free shipping, and you're going to get 6% cash back. So you're going to get 6% back, just cash back, just for purchasing this item. Now let's say if you're going to go to Walmart and you purchase something for Walmart, you get this coupon and you can receive up to 14% cash back. So that's very high percentage right there. And Amazon, very popular online store, you can use this coupon, you receive 10% cash back. So that's how that works. And like I said earlier, you'll be receiving cash back through either PayPal, check, or direct deposit. It's up to you. But since we're talking about free PayPal money, so that'll be some quick PayPal money for just shopping. You're not really doing anything. So that's just like getting free PayPal money. All right, so that's how this site works. Let me go to one other thing, which is an app. And also, as you can see, they have restaurants you can go to also. So if you want to, once you go on this site and check out everything, you can check out the restaurants that they have. But let's go ahead and go to the app right quick. And I'm in the Apple App Store. And as you can see here, it says Be Frugal, Cashback, and Coupons. So let's just scroll down here and look at the ratings and review. So out of 5 stars is 4.6. That's a very high rating. Now, this one person, as far as a review, this one person, Samantha, said, Be Frugal always has the best cashback percentages. The percentages are significantly higher than other apps at all times. They don't just offer high percentages on special occasions. They offer them all the time. So this person is very satisfied using this site and using this app to get money through cash, to get cash back when they shop. So if you're interested in getting started making money just shopping, go to befrugal.com. Now, I have the second site I want to go to, so I'm going to go ahead and go to that one right now. All right, I'm at the second site, and the name of this site is Pi. So this is another cashback website, but the only difference with this is you can get cash back in Bitcoin too, not just dollars. And they're both available on the Apple Store and Google Play Store as an app. So using Pi is very easy. You just link your card, your debit card or your credit card, spend as you would at any favorite spots, receive automatic cash back in Bitcoin and cash. So you're going to earn automatic cashbacks on everyday purchases. And here are some of the stores. So if you like donuts, go to Dunkin' Donuts, buy some donuts, get cash back or Bitcoin. 7-Eleven, go get you a drink or something, get cash back. And if you need to go somewhere, call up an Uber, get cash back on Uber. All right, so you're going to turn your debit and credit cards into retailer rewards cards without membership fees, new card or interest, only savings. So they have double dip rewards, so you're going to receive Pi points in addition to your credit card points. So loyalty, so cash back that values and increases with your loyalty. Unique savings, so unique offers automatically applied for your maximum cash back. Then you're going to cash out in crypto or US dollars. So you cash out securely in the currency that works best for you. So it doesn't just have to be US dollars. Whatever currency is best for you, you can do a crypto or dollars. So let's go ahead and let me do one other thing here. And since they have them in apps, you know, you can get it on the app. Let's go to the app, and I want to look at the rating and the reviews on this app. Okay, now I'm in the App Store, and here's their app. And if you want to look at the app, it's Pi Automatic Cash Back. So let's go ahead and scroll down here and look at the rating. Now, out of 5 stars, it's a 4.8. Wow, that's a high rating for this app. That's one of the highest I've seen. So let's look at what some reviews said on here. Okay, here's one person that reviewed the app, left a review. So it says, points add up. The points truly add up since I signed up for this app back in May. I've earned over $75. So this person have earned over $75 in some months using this app. And he probably wasn't using that much and got paid just like that. He probably was getting small purchases and it just started adding up. So that's how this website works, and they have this how the app works. So if you're interested in making cash back using this website and their app, go to getpi.com. Okay, now you know the method on how to earn $50 in free PayPal money in 2 minutes. So go ahead and sign up with those websites and let's get this money. All right, thank you for watching this video all the way to the very end. Please, before you leave, don't forget to hit that like button. It really helps out my channel and helps out this video. And let's try to get at least 100 likes, guys. Help me out and get at least 100 likes. YouTube loves channels that got a lot of likes. So please hit that like button for me. And drop a comment down below if you have any questions about what I talked about today. And also drop that comment down below if you want to get a chance to win some free money. And please share this all around the internet, because I really want to help everybody I can. And also, this will help me get to 2,000 subscribers so I can give away that free money. So please share everywhere possible. And lastly, please subscribe to my channel and don't forget to hit that notification bell so you won't miss not one video that I drop. All right? Because I make videos like this every other day. All right, guys, that's it. That's all I have for this video. Grind family, thank you for your support. Keep supporting a brother. One more thing before I go. Get your grind on, because the grind is real. See you in the next video. Please go watch some of my other videos until my next one come out. Deuces.